King Jimmy and I am in my front yard by my marigolds right behind me. If you want to see them better, there they are. Nice, cool. They're very nice looking. Now I'll show you how to keep the seeds for next year. Yeah. So, here's a normal one. Nice, soft. To get the seeds, you'll need a dried out one, and I see the perfect one right there. This one right here. So let me pick it. Phone, you hit me. So you're gonna need to take off this coating here. Okay. And you see these little spiky things that are not actually hurt. Well, not hurt, but these won't hurt you. You just pull them, and there's some of the seeds are. Keep pulling until you can't get the rest. So that's all of them. You can store them in any totally dry container for next year. And you see these ones that are like all clumped up? You can just pull them apart so you get more. So, there's another one. There's another way to do it. Take off the coating. You can peel off the skin to get them. Just like peeling off the dragon fruit in my other video. This is not a dragon fruit, this is seeds. In my dragon fruit video, I cut a dragon fruit and ate it. But in this video, you would want to only eat the petals, not any part of the green. I wonder actually what it tastes like right now. So, I actually don't know what a flower tastes like. Dry. I don't like it. Other people might, but I don't. So let's get another. Ooh, there's a good one right down here. Hopefully I don't get stung by any bees. Oh, it fell. These flowers are great for bees because they are pollinators. Don't get too close. There's the thingy. Here's like the pod that holds it all. Pull. Wink. There they are. Let's put them in. So let's go down here. There they are. Wink. Oh, yeah. So these, you just want to pull them apart. And you'll get all the ones that were stuck together. And you can keep pulling until you can't see anymore. I got this many from only a few, like 4 dried up heads, and yeah, you can probably grow as many here, and if you have some extra, you can give them to a friend, family, so they can grow some and they can save them, and then they can give them to some of their friends. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, hit the notification button. There's not any more King Jimmy, what should we call this? I don't know what to call this. Outdoor fun, I guess. Peace out. Look at that bee. Ooh,
no, there was a different kind of thing over here.
Whoa, that's a yellow jacket. Do not get stung by those. I think that's a yellow jacket.